Shift is an app created by game developer Handmark. The app has been around for a while now and has recently made its debut on Android phones. The game is essentially a puzzle app with one of the most unique twists I've seen in a game. The object of the game is to collect keys in a level to unlock a door to escape. This is a typical gameplay mechanic that can be found in plenty of games, but where the game actually shines is in its unique parallel reality mechanic. Each level is essentially two separate levels, the white side and the black side. The player has the ability to switch at will to either side and will need to do so in order to solve the puzzles. This is by far one of the most mentally stimulating puzzle games I've played in a while, as it really challenges you to think outside the box. The sounds and graphics aren't anything too special, but the gameplay definitely makes up for it. I occasionally had some issues controlling the character with the buttons, but eventually became second nature. The app is available in the Android market for a relatively cheap price, and is definitely worth the price asked for such a creative game. Check it out. This has been Eric with Appalicious.com, helping you to find mobile apps you'll love.